Hi, I'm Robin.
And I'm Prakhar. so, मतलब,
So we
okay.
start इधर बोलो इधर our first packing boy
Yeah,
Ved.
yes. Before that,
So
we were the packing boys.
before that we were the packing boys.
Yeah, right. So, Robin, आज क्या कर रहे हैं फिर?
Yeah, I think let's build something for our community. Let's go beyond the surface.
Let's go.
So कॉलेज में यार कभी सोचा था कि स्किन केयर ब्रांड बनाएंगे, इतने सारे
Yeah.
मतलब प्रोडक्ट्स बनाएंगे.
नहीं कभी सोचा तो नहीं था, बट आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का कीड़ा था हम में के क्या कुछ करना है, राइट? एंड क्या करना है ये नहीं पता था. मतलब लाइक हम भी बाकी किसी भी ग्रेजुएट की तरह काफ़ी क्लूलेस थे अपनी लाइफ में कि एक्चुअली आगे जाके करना क्या है ज़िंदगी में, राइट? एंड आई थिंक जो मेजर ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट आता है किसी भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी में वो ये आता है कि people give up in the middle, right? When times are tough, when like things are not working your way, I think it becomes very important that you have a solid support system, right? So I think we were the right team to start this business, and that is why I think we have also a right to win.
And to be honest, I think like our idea of beauty has also evolved, right? When we started very small, very lean. We were only three folks. You remember Nandini,
Yeah,
who was
yeah.
our first graphic designer. So we were only three of us sitting out of a basement, building packaging, logo, designs,
Correct.
figuring out how do we get the manufacturer
Correct.
to build products for us.
Correct. MOQs are a challenge.
So
Yeah.
MOQs are minimum order quantities for
Correct.
your information. So they it was a challenge because एक certain batch size required होता है to operate and function the like
Correct.
and build that particular product. So वो था हमें था कि हम बेच पाएंगे या नहीं बेच पाएंगे, sell कर पाएंगे या नहीं कर पाएंगे. Uh, and you remember our first packing boy,
Yeah.
Ved.
Yes. Before that,
So
we were the packing boys.
before that, we were the packing boys.
Yeah.
So, and you remember that one night when we launched the website and we circulated it
Correct.
amongst our friends and family.
Correct.
We got almost like 150 orders.
Correct.
And we were there in our basement,
Correct.
like you and me,
Yeah.
and there were two friends of ours.
Correct. Packing those orders.
उनको हमने बुला लिया था to help us
Yeah.
to help us pack the orders.
Right.
And we were there the entire night packing 150 orders.
Right.
So you remember?
Right.
Yeah. So it was. I think it has been a great journey.
Correct.
So I think from there, now we are in a almost 1 lakh square feet warehouse where so
Correct.
many people are,
Correct.
helping us
Correct.
in the supply chain.
So yeah, I think we never thought ke like where Conscious Chemist would go from here.
Correct. It was pure passion,
pure passion,
of
yeah.
creating efficacious, science-backed, performance-backed skincare, and bringing it in affordable prices for Indian consumers. So
Right.
that was the idea.
Correct. Correct. Absolutely. Yeah.
So I think a lot of people come to us and ask us, "Kya two men in beauty? Why? Like,
Right.
how are you building this beauty brand?"
Right.
मतलब, be it investors, be
Right.
it some of our customers,
Correct.
people around us, family, friends.
Correct.
So they often ask us this question,
Yeah.
right? And
Yeah.
so, what do you have anything to say about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's a very interesting question. Ke why two men are building a beauty brand? So I think so right from the start, like as I said, right. So the category was a big inspiration for us because it was not disrupted yet. Matlab, like there were brands which are still relying on age-old ingredients, age-old formulations to really sell their products. And we felt that now consumers have moved on, right? And we just I think happened to be two men building a skincare brand.
But I
also.
think a lot of like big beauty brands are also built by like men, right?
Yeah, sure.
I mean, definitely like
Our seed investors are men.
Yeah, so our seed investors, they are also like two men in the business. Has built a
Right.
big beauty brand,
Right.
which has been used by our mothers,
Right.
sisters.
Correct.
Right.
And I think we were also like decently passionate about beauty because so
Beauty is also, I think, genderless, right?
हाँ, it's genderless and men also use skincare यार. I think like
Correct.
वो एक stigma है कि men don't use skincare. अगर वो stigma नहीं होता तो I think fair and handsome exist ही नहीं करता मतलब.
Correct.
Men के लिए there are charcoal face wash, ये charcoal face mask, etc.
Correct.
And men are using skincare, right? And we were also using skincare. And when we were speaking to members of our family, right, our sisters, our mothers, के like which product are they using? So they have like they're using those. नाम तो नहीं ले सकते.
एक दो ले सकते हैं.
नाम ले सकते हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ तो our mothers have been using. This is Beyond the Surface, and in this series of videos, we are going to talk about what are the popular beauty myths, and we are going to debunk a lot about skincare. So basically, हम ये बात करेंगे कि skincare में जो इतना noise है, right? तो उसमें what is relevant for you, at least what we think is relevant for you, and what might not be a great trend to jump on.
This podcast is also about कि ये ingredients क्यों exist करते हैं, ये ingredients या formulation या myths क्या है, आपके लिए relevant है या नहीं है. So इन सब चीज़ों को हम break down करेंगे in this particular podcast. So guys, follow us, subscribe us, bell icon पे भी click कर लो because we are going to come up with a lot of content. And क्या था और
बाकी करते हैं.